Ever wondered how top agents dominate Zillow and consistently snag valuable leads? Zillow Premier Agent is a paid advertising program connecting real estate professionals directly with home buyers and sellers on Zillow's platform. The core involves agents purchasing advertising impressions in specific zip codes. When a user shows interest in a listing in that area, Zillow routes them to a Premier Agent. This often occurs via shared connections. A user clicks Contact Agent, and Zillow sends the lead to up to 3 Premier Agents who bought that zip code. These are often live calls or direct messages. For agents on a team, Zillow commonly uses a Roundrobin system, distributing incoming shared connections equitably among team members, ensuring a fair chance at conversion. Beyond lead generation, Premier Agents receive prominent branding on listings they advertise, boosting their visibility. The program includes a robust CRM dashboard for lead management and communication. You gain insights through performance analytics, tracking lead volume and conversion rates. Premier Agents also get exclusive marketing resources and dedicated support from Zillow to optimize their online presence. Premier Agent operates on a subscription or impression-based model. Agents commit to a monthly spend based on desired impressions or leads in their chosen area. Costs vary by market. Understanding these operational mechanics is crucial for leveraging Zillow Premier Agent to ensure consistent lead flow and sustained business growth.